is made out of ultra-hygienic, body-safe silicone that is 35 times more hygienic than the nylon brushes. So the material is not porous, and it doesn't attract or absorb any of the bacteria, any of the grime, any pollution, absolutely. Yes, nothing. Everything just glides away when you rinse it underwater.
Yeah, it basically cleans itself. Our Luna doesn't have any replacement parts. All you need to do is charge it, and a full charge will last you for 650 uses, which is more than you'll ever need.
Yes. The T-sonic pulsations boost the circulation, bring oxygen to our outer skin layers, so our skin appears more glowy right away.
Yeah, and as we already know, skin is our largest organ on the body. And we're protecting most of our skins by wearing clothes and everything. So our skin on the face needs extra protection.
So Luna 3 is our hero product. We have 3 different types of Luna. Luna for normal skin, Luna for sensitive skin, and Luna for combination skin. They all differ in terms of bristles. Luna for normal skin is the mid one, let's say. Luna for soft skin, for sensitive skin, has the softest and most gentle bristles, while Luna for combination skin has the thickest bristles.
Yeah, they're more rough because of the oil and sebum people with combination skin usually have more than the others.
Yes, and this area massages around your eyes, around the mouth. Then we have a treatment in the app that does a full facial, a neck facial. So basically you can follow the app or do your own treatment as you prefer.